Hi, Mike with FIZZ-GIZ here. Got something else to show you today. I call it a poor man's mini-keg. So that can either be P-O-O-R, because this little mini-keg is like a $5 start to finish. Coke bottle is virtually free. FIZZ-GIZ plug valve, and then a soda siphon head. So let me show you how it works. We got a couple of 16-ounce containers here, mug and a glass. And I'm going to fill them up and we'll see where we're going here. Okay, well, a little messy on that, but I'm sure you can forgive me. Now let's go for the mug. So what the idea is for all you home brewers is, you know how it is when you have friends over and you want to give them something to take home, but you're a kegger, you're not a bottler, and so you don't really have anything. You know, this is a handy gadget. It's a little more elegant than, you know, giving them a mason jar full of your brew. And people, I think, appreciate it because it is handy with a little you know, thumb lever operated dispenser, and the ability to repressurize it just using a you know, a standard FIZZ-GIZ CO2 dispenser. And yeah, I'll show you how that works. Let's see here. It's a little valve. Okay, we pointed out, and you just put it on there and put some juice in it. Doesn't take much, you know, maybe a positive 5 pounds. You can sort of feel the bottle, and you know, you'll get the idea when it feels right. So hopefully that's something that you like, and you can contact MrFizz at FIZZGIZ.com, and I can show you everything you need, how to build it, and put it all together for $5.